Here's how to do frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve. Start a new project. In the project settings, change the timeline frame rate to 60. Make sure to change the timeline frame rate before you import any clips, otherwise we won't be able to change it later. And when we do import our clips, we're gonna have to click no on a pop-up. Save it. Take our clip, mine is at 24 FPS, drag it into the timeline. And when it asks if you wanna change the project frame rate, click don't change, bring that to the front, click on the clip, and in the inspector, scroll down to retime and scaling. Open that. Next to retime process, change that to optical flow and export the clip. Once that's finished, we can take a look. So that's the old one. And that's the new one. It's definitely smoother, though it kind of looks like there's a bit of screen tear to me. I'm not sure if that's because of bad lighting conditions. I tried doing this with some other clips as well, and it kind of looks like, yeah, there's a bit of blur, too much blur. It looks unnatural. I tried filming this again closer to a light source, and it still looks a bit off. Okay, I just tried something else. Instead of importing a 24 FPS clip into a 60 FPS timeline, I tried importing a 30 FPS clip. And I think it looks a little less screen teary. I think it looks a little bit better. I think it looks a little bit better, but maybe this is just something that you have to play with in your clip and see if it looks the way you are okay with it looking. But that's how to do frame interpolation in DaVinci Resolve.